Good evening, comrades. Good evening, fellow revolutionaries, concerned members of Umkhonto weSizwe and the African National Congress, fellow South Africans, good evening. The reason we are on tonight is because we are responding to a media statement made by KB Maphatsoe on Sunday, the 4th of March, 2018, after the conference or the meeting of the NEC in the East Rand. Among other things, KB Maphatsoe usibiza ngama-rebels. He says we are censored, Tina, and he is distancing himself from the statements that we made. Usho njalo KB. And yet into interesting, ukuthi after akhulume zonke lezi zinto uthi uzos-engage uKB. Now thina i-answer yethu or response yethu kule nto ekhulunywa uKB is very simple. Ayikho into ezo-engage kuyo uKB because number one uKB seka-decidile ukuthi singama-rebels, seka-decidile ukuthi thina we are censored, and seka-decidile ukuthi yena he is distancing himself from us. But it's interesting ukuthi i-rebel number one esiyaziyo thina uKB himself. Because not long ago, uKB was singing the praises of President Jacob Zuma. uKB was in the forefront of a campaign ye-NTZ. But all of a sudden, uKB sekachangile. That is what we call a rebel. It's uKB sikutshele something if you don't know. Thina singama-rebel mfana. Singama revolutionaries. We were taught in the African National Congress our principles, and we stick by those principles. We're now going to shift at any time. 1 minute you are here, next minute you are there. 1 minute you are the captain of the ship, next minute you have jumped the ship. Don't jump the ship, Nati. Jumpa uyiwan. Asisi property yako thina. Singama soja womkhonto weSizwe, are principled. Ichingukutshela KB. I-problem yakho ukuthi udefenda i-position yakho wena because you enjoy ukuhamba ngeikari ezimnyama ezikhanyisa ama-blue lamp la estradini, and you think that is life. That is nothing. Khona manje uphila leyo life at the expense of MK cadres obayeke baba poor over the years, because you enjoy babona bapua because then you are able to control them. Our comrades right now are languishing in poverty. Our comrades are homeless. Meanwhile, wena ubekiwe lapho to look after their plight and their welfare. Awuzenzi zonke lezo zinto. Awunaona mahloni KB. Amasotsha omkhonto weSizwe azahamba yo demonstrator at DMV demanding their rights under your watch. Into ijahele ukuhamba uyodefenda uCyril. KB awusi lawyer kaCyril. Awusi spokesman sakaCyril. Ungayothenga igama elihle kuCyril ngegama lamasotsha omkhonto weSizwe. Ungayothenga igama elihle kuCyril ngathi usibize ngama-rebel ucabanga ukuthi ngokusikhuluma kabi you'll appear beautiful. No KB. Kumele ukholwe to order wena kuqala, because we are out of order, we are out of step. We rebel wena sina singama-revolutionary. Well, having addressed to KB, comrades, we want to come back ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. uKB ngeke simi-engage in any secret meeting, because number one, uresponda kwi-letter esingazange simu-addresse kuyo. That letter esibhalile is based on this book. Ititle yale ncwadi lena, which every MK soldier, every member of the ANC must read. It kill Zuma by any means necessary. In this book, kunama allegations laid against certain members of the ANC leadership, and particularly uCyril. Among other allegations is that there was an attempt to poison Umsholozi when he was still the president of both the ANC and the country. by a member of the previous top 6, uDr. Zweli Mkhize. Noma sekuthu uComrade Zuma niyamzonda, senimzonda ngendlela yokuthi noma ebulawa nisenandaba. An attempt is made on his life. The perpetrator is exposed. Unegama, unesibongo. He's not dead, he's alive. He said to promote you lo muntu ku leadership. Nobody saying anything. Zuma must go, Zuma must go. What about the murderer, or the attempt, the would-be murderer, Ogu NEC today? NC has never come out in defense of Zweli Mkhize. NC has never made a statement on the issue then. In the same manner, a presidential jet Kamsholozi was sabotaged on no less than 2 occasions. The ANC has never said anything. The perpetrators are still there, walking around. Umuntu omubi uZuma. Abantu abafuna ukubulala uZuma, no, they are darlings. Ezinye izinto, they are amazing. The same Cyril Khebi, if I was a sick jail, he was funded, supported, and brought up and groomed by the Ruppers. Otiwena, you are fighting against. Abo Oppenheimer. Yiba abantu abakrume uCyril. Ithe sekutshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoCyril. Mhlamba was uCyril ngo1991 ujoyine iAfrican National Congress. Wa attend a conference as a non-voting delegate. But the interesting thing is that he came out of that conference the Secretary General of the ANC. We explain kanjani. Where is the principle of a tried and tested leadership? Where is the principle of a leader of the ANC having to pass through the eye of the needle? Usuthi Khebi awuboni ukuthi this man was parachuted as a paratrooper into our organization. Namhlanje ubhizi uyamdefenda ubona thina sibabi. Khebi, you can be amazing. Nabanye abafana nawe. uCyril akaqualified by leader ye-ANC yasima attack. Is the reality, is the principles of the ANC. Any member with ANC or sober or honest can testify that uCyril Vele, according to ANC principles, does not qualify to be a leader of the ANC. It's simple, Leon. Dagna attack lapo is the truth as it is. And Khebi, no more interested to be zealous kangakana. The questions esiziraise to the leadership, awunama answer ku. So ungaphapheli izinto ezikude nawe. Hlukana nezinto ezingakuconcern, ubheke iwelfare yama comrade. Wenze sure ukuthi ijob oyiallocatiwe uyenza ngama flying colors. Uyeke ukulabela thina ileadership ingakasho nix. Don't be too big in your own eyes, Khebi. Take it easy. Okay, comrades. Another thing as concerning is that our beautiful policies, the African National Congress, says yashuga coatwa manje. To an extent ukuthi we were so embarrassed ukuthi eParliament, EFF, not Julius Malema, bathathe ama policies we ANC bawatable as a motion eParliament, while ANC ibhizi yashuga quota ayiziraise lezinto. The next thing was supposed to play fiddle sibe second hand to EFF. Tomorrow EFF izabe ikhuluma nge-nationalization yama-bank. EFF kusasa izobithatha wonke lamapolisi we-ANC gijima ngawo, because at the top of the organization is a man who is not interested in pushing the agenda of the ANC, but osugarcoat lama policy to please the Ruppers, to please the Oppenheimers. EFF comrades is gaining ground. And if lezinto singazilungisi, kulibe kuthiwa lona irebel, hayi lona yini, hayi lona yini. Ngo-2019, ANC will become an insignificant opposition party ku-National Assembly. So thina njengamasotsha are concerned we-ANC nama-revolutionaries omkhonto wesizwe, we are not prepared to let that thing happen. I-ANC kumele ihline i-act yayo, kungene kuma-position afanele abantu ekumele bangene abaqualifyayo, siphushe i-agenda ye-revolution, siya kufuna ukuba ama-nice boy wabelungu. Lonto leyo is simple and straightforward. Akuna reaction lapho, akuna bu-reactionary, akuna nix. President Oliver Tambo washo kahle wathi the people who will defend the African National Congress umkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe is not a fiction. Umkhonto wesizwe yithi amakerela. Abo comrade abafana nabo Solomon Mahlangu, abo Bani Mlokwane, ucommander the Lion of Chawela, uGordon Dikiwe. Kanti bafelani? Bafela usiplay second fiddle? No. These people laid down their lives ukuthi siphile impilo, and siphile impilo emnandi. Not impilo lesibona iphilo abantu bakithi after 20 years. Isikhathi manje sokuphusha ngamandla nangenkani i-radical economic transformation. Akekho zoyishuga quota. Ayikho le ndaba ukuthi no, it must be pursued in such a way ukuthi wata no. I-conference ayedanga zonke lezo zinto zama-sugar coating. It was clear ukuthi umhlaba kumele ubuye ebantwini abawuthatha ngenkani nendluzula bangabhadalwa. Is a simple thing. Ama-bank kumele a-nationalize. I-Reserve Bank must be nationalized. Ayidingi sugar coating leyanto. Ayidingi ama-commission. Ayidingi it simply demands a resolute people abanezil yokuphesiwa i-revolution. It is important ukuthi at the top of this agenda singabeki abantu abablantina ispear, abantu abenza umkhonto ube buthuntu ungasakwazi nokugwaza. It is only sharp, vigilant, dedicated revolutionaries abazoyiphusha le agenda. Akekho the izoba easy, akekho the abelungu bazojabula, akekho the abo Rupert bazozuba umnandi. Vele lento lena kumele ibazwise ubuhlungu njengoba nathi sizwe ubuhlungu for 400 years. Is a simple thing then. Kumele ukuthi as i-ANC sikline i-act yethu. Kombe sizobe singekho fair, sithi ezinye izinto siyaziyeka ezinye siyazenza. Uba njalo umuntu i-president ku-election ekunama vote ayi-63 angabalwanga. Yenzeka kanjalo. Sithule sithi no akwenzekanga nix because sizobizwa ngama-rebels. Asisingama-rebels. We want answers. And akekho zozivimba sizoloko sizikhuluma lezinto sizoba ngumsindo right up to the end, and not ngama-secret meeting. Yonke lento iku-public space, yonke lento izo-addresswa ku-public space, and yonke lento izo-solviwa in public. Khona the days ezinto ezoloko zenziwa underground. Mandla awethu.